Hello, my name is Dr. Brad Mason. I have the privilege of being the superintendent for Brea Olinda Unified School District, and I'd like to talk to you for just a second about Measure G, which will be on the March 3rd election ballot, and why we need your support for our schools and most importantly for our students in Brea. Measure G is a community effort that would be focused on investing in our schools to improve our facilities. Many of our schools are decades, and two of them are actually almost 100 years old. And they were not designed for modern students and readying our students for a future that is now, not then. And so we ask you to read your ballot, read about the initiative, and please vote yes on Measure G. Our commitment to you is improving our schools by modernizing many of our campuses that are long overdue, adding to the math, science, and technology opportunities by building a new school or a new facility at our Brea Junior High School, and working on safety issues for drop-off, campus security, and safety for our students. We cannot do this without you, and in fact, these schools do not belong to me. They do not belong to the school board. They belong to you, the Brea citizens, and we're asking you to invest in our most prized resource, our kids and our schools. Thank you, and please remember to vote yes on Measure G on March 3rd. Thank you for your support and for being a part of the Brea community.